You know about the turtle?
Yes.
Will I see you again?
Every time someone chooses kindness.
The future belongs to everyone. This storm feels strange.
We wait here until the storm slows down.
Oh no! Little guy? What was that? Emma, are you okay? I saw something strange.
What? What did I just see?
That future felt real.
It's just stress. Nothing more.
Who are you?
The turtle is trying to show me something.
Maybe the visions are warnings?
Or maybe they're asking for help. It's hurt. We can't leave it here. The forest dies.
The turtle is searching for someone.
Searching for what?
A future worth saving.
The turtle only appears when people forget tomorrow. This symbol is everywhere. Because people stopped listening.
The turtle shows possible futures, not fixed ones.
So we can still change them?
Yes,
We can't keep running from problems.
I'm trying to fix everything.
No! Please don't let this happen! It's already too late!
We can't stop it.
I don't want our family to break apart.
there is one place where futures can still change.
What place?
The Heart Lake.
We stay together this time.
Together!
The future is built, choice by choice. The radio again. Oh no! Everyone stay inside the car.
Someone's out there. You shouldn't stay here tonight.
Who are you?
You know about the turtle?
Yes.
How do you know this forest? I grew up here, but how? You'll see. This place feels alive.
My grandfather protected the lake. He knew about the future?
Heart Lake is fading. What does that mean?
The turtle protects possible futures. And if the lake dies? You still have time!
We leave
Now!
We leave now!
The valley floods first.
How far is the lake?
The animals are trapped! Grab my hand! We can save them!
The lake is calling you.
The lake is calling me. It's beautiful. The lake remembers every choice people make. It does? Yes.
This is where futures are born.
People choose the future together. We stop running now.
We face tomorrow together.
I missed you. So the future still depends on us.
The lake is collapsing! The lake is collapsing! The lake needs hope, not fear! How do we save it?
We choose a better future. I think the turtle is still here somehow.
This feels different.
Yeah, better.
The future already changed.
Goodbye, Moss.
This is the perfect start to our adventure. Wow, look how sparkly the river is, Dad.
You're drawing him again? I don't want to forget. People really can change things.
Small choices become big futures.
The future starts today.
Home finally.
I didn't put this here.
The future never belongs to one person. It belongs to everyone who chooses kindness.
Maybe tomorrow isn't something to fear anymore.
The future changes, one choice at a time.
No way! Mom! Dad! Look!
Maybe hope leaves little signs behind.
The future is alive, and it's listening. Ha ha ha! I still feel like something's coming. Emma, did the TV just say your name?
The symbols are back!
moss? The future still needed help.
Power is failing across the city.
They're scared. So are we.
Moss brought us here. The symbol is pointing somewhere. This place should be closed.
It was hidden for a reason.
How is this possible? The city forgot how to live with nature. And now the future is breaking again.
The future listens to what people choose today.
The city still has a chance.
People are being asked to stay calm.
We fix this together.
The future changes when people choose each other.
Tomorrow feels different now.
Emma! Wait! No! No! Look out! Luna! She's gonna fall! It's calling again.
The river connects to Heart Lake?
Under the whole city? This place was hidden the whole time. The future still listens. Come here, both of you. Meow. Woof woof. I thought you disappeared. I never left. I stayed to protect the path. The path to the tree?
Yes.
The answers are inside.
What is this place? The beginning. This place feels older than the forest. It is. Are these all real? They can be.
One person can start a change.
What is Luna looking at? I think she found something.
The tree is dying faster than we thought.
Then we're running out of time. The roots are fading. And so is the future they protect. I think Luna found another clue. It's beautiful.
And something's wrong.
The future weakens when people stop caring.
That's the tree. Then that's where we go next. We're getting closer. That bridge wasn't on the map.
bridge remembers everything. I forgot how much these moments mattered.
We found it! It's even bigger than I imagined.
They came here for help. The future still wants to live.
The tree is losing its light. How do we stop it?
The final choice awaits.
The tree is calling us.
This can't be real. It is.
Every future begins with a choice.
No future is built alone.
You were never saving the tree.
What? What?
You were helping people remember.
The choice must be made now.
It's not fair!
We can't let it happen.
What do we do?
The future cannot be saved by magic alone.
Then what do we do?
The future grows from small choices.
I understand now. What do you understand? The future belongs to everyone.
The future lives. So do we.
We did it.
Will I see you again?
Every time someone chooses kindness. Every ending becomes a beginning.
Another future needs help.
Hi, friends! Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye!